Hangul is not a set of symbols, but a combination system. Hangul is not a picture-based writing system that must be memorized one by one. It is a writing system that creates sounds by combining consonant symbols and vowel symbols. Consonants, the place and method of making sound. Vowels, the direction and space in which sound is produced. A letter is one unit of pronunciation formed by combining a consonant and a vowel. Two consonants create the beginning of sound as the initial position. Consonants are placed in the first position initial sound of a letter. The initial sound shows where the sound begins. Examples: G, a sound that begins at the back of the tongue. N, a sound that begins at the tip of the tongue. M, a sound that begins at the lips. A consonant alone cannot be pronounced. A vowel is always required. 3. Vowels complete the sound as the middle position. Vowels are placed in the middle position medial sound of a letter. The medial sound decides the direction and space in which the sound spreads. Examples: A sound made by opening the mouth forward. O, a sound that resonates upward with rounded lips. U, a sound that resonates downward with rounded lips. Vowels give life to consonants. For consonant, vowel, one letter, one syllable. In Hangul, one letter equals one sound. Examples: Giaga sound begins at the back of the tongue open vowel. No sound begins at the tip of the tongue. Rounded upward vowel. Mu soundu begins at the lips downward resonating vowel. At this stage, the sound can already be spoken. The final consonant closes the sound. When a consonant is added to the end of a letter, it becomes the final consonant. The final consonant finishes and closes the sound. Examples:
가디음 간, 물일 물, 말미음 아리를.
The initial sound, medial sound, and final sound together form one complete unit of pronunciation. 6 letters come together to form words. In Hangul, a word is a sequence of letters. Each letter keeps its own clear sound while connecting to the next. Examples: 사람 person.
사시오다, 람리을 아미음, 하늘 스카이, 하히으다, 늘 니은 의리를.
Because each letter has a clear sound, Hangul is read exactly as it is written. 7. Double vowels expand the range of sound. Double vowels are formed when 2 vowel symbols combine into one sound. Examples:
우아가가, 우어워, 우이위.
Even with the same consonant, changing the vowel creates a completely different sound. Therefore, Hangul can express all sounds. Consonants precisely describe the place and method of pronunciation. Vowels combine mouth opening, direction, and resonance. Together, they are organized into syllable units. As a result, using only consonant symbols and vowel symbols, Hangul can systematically express almost every sound the human voice can produce. Shall we read together? Let's read the combined forms of consonants and vowels.
카나 달라마 빠사 아자 차카타파. 거너 덜로모버서 어저 차커터퍼. 고노도로모보소 우주 초코토포. 구누두루무부스 우주 추코토포후. 그느드르무부스 우주 츠크트포후. 그니 드리미비 시리즈 츠키티피.
In the next video, we will explain the meaning and meaning of words. Thank you so much for watching.